awesome day. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 exercises you can do your dog. Hope you enjoy it. This is my partner in crime, Jackie D, and this is our first exercise. Number 1, lunges. So what you want to do is you're going to do a lunge like this. Make sure your knee doesn't go past your toes. Keep that in mind. So you want to have it straight like this, and you go again like that. You can do 5, 10, 15, doesn't matter, as long as you're comfortable with it. Okay. Number 2, leg raises. So you have to have it up here like this while you're walking your dog. So like this. Yeah, again, you can do 10, 5, 15, doesn't matter, as long as you're comfortable with it. So I'm going to do 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 3, we call this the giraffe. So what you want to do is you want to get on your tippy toes and you want to stretch your arms as high as you can and walk a bit for about 10 seconds or so, and then you switch arms, go on your toes again, hands up, stretch, and then you carry on with it for another 10 seconds. Okay. Number 4, we're going to do some squats. So what you want to do is you want to take a couple steps and get down in a perfect squat like you're sitting in a chair. Another 2 steps and then another squat. 1, 2, squat. You can do 10, 5, 15, whatever you're comfortable with. Just make sure you always have to exercise. And number 5, leg raises. So what you want to do is take a couple steps and lift your leg as high as you want. You can lift it here or higher, depends how you feel when you do it. So you can go 1, 2, 3, you can do 10, 5, 15, doesn't matter, as long as you're comfortable with it. Okay, so that's your 5 exercises with your dog. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, always stay fit and healthy. Like, subscribe, comment down below saying you've done it. I'll give you a channel shout out. Peace.